Sun in your eyes?
Yeah.
A little bright. We're
It
here
is.
at the Mequon, where are we? Nature Preserve?
Yes,
Mequon Nature Preserve?
Yes,
And we're going to check it out.
we are gonna. I'm excited.
Excited. So here we are at the Mequon Nature Preserve, surrounded by weeds. I guess it's natural. So, what do you think of our adventure so far in this wonderful natural habitat of nature?
Well, I thought it was going to be a little bit more picturesque than it is, but it's a nice day for a walk,
Sunny,
right?
bright,
So, right. So that certainly isn't going to hurt us. A little exercise.
thirst-inducing,
That's very true.
if you know what I mean.
I do. I do.
Okay. So we've been huffing it for quite a while.
Right.
So, I don't know. I think there might be a concession stand coming up here, maybe, or something.
Possibly.
Well, that's what we're hoping for anyway.
Yeah. A little water.
Water. So it's looking just like this never-ending path. We thought maybe it would go into the woods to get some shade, but no. No. Maybe there's a shuttle or something we can pick up around the corner up here.
Okay.
That's what we're hoping for. So we found the woods. Finally found some shade.
Oh, yeah, thank goodness. Oh, the shade sure feels good.
So we saw a marker out there, and we thought, well, maybe that's for the shuttle stop or something.
All right.
But no, it was just a marker to say the direction of where the woods are. So here we are. At least we found some shade.
Yes. Feels great.
Haven't come across the concession stand yet, so not sure if that's a little farther up or if it's there, we'll find it.
I'm sure we will.
So
we're determined.
We'll keep you posted.
Right.
So we found it.
Yep.
Where are we?
At the shuttle stop.
At the shuttle stop. So to sit here, and they'll probably be coming by every 15 minutes or so, I would think.
Oh yeah, I would think so too. It's too bad the sign didn't say at the beginning here how often the shuttle runs.
Right. I would think like 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. Every 20 minutes they run through.
Yeah. Well.
So here we have the swimming pond.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's really beautiful.
I'd say. Nobody's swimming.
Look at that big bird over there.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'll be able to pick him up on here. So it turns out there's no shuttle here.
Nope.
We've been huffing it for like 30 miles.
Yeah, it feels like it anyways.
Still no sign of a shuttle. No concession stands.
Nope.
Just nature.
Right? Imagine that.
Strange. I don't know what to think about it, but
yeah,
we're almost at the end of the trail here. Hopefully we'll make it.
I'm hoping.
And see what's next for us. It's hard to see.
Yeah. like he's looking right at you. We made it. Back to the car. Whew. No shuttle. No concession stand. Whew.
It was hot.
It was hot. Yep. But well worth it. We got some exercise.
Yeah, worth it. Yeah. A little bit thirsty.
Yeah, me too.
Still might have to find some concessions. Some concessions along the way.
Yes. Well, there might be some we can find. Would you like to open a tab or close it right up?
I would like to open a tab.
All right. Do you have a card for me?
I do.
Perfect. Thank you.
So it turns out there was a concession stand. We found it.
Yes, thank goodness.
Everything worked out.